Hello YouTube. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a video from YouTube in 2021 and beyond. What I do is I use this screen recording app called Icecream Screen Recorder. And this one has two different versions. There's a free and a paid version. Free version has a time limit, and I believe it has a watermark and a limited quality on the final video. The paid version, $29.95, is pretty cheap, and no time limits, higher quality, no watermark, etc. And I use this one just because it's really quick and easy. Right now I'm actually recording this video with an app called OBS Studio, and that is actually completely free. You can get it at obsproject.com, Windows, Mac, or Linux. And this other one, the Icecream Screen Recorder, is at icecreamapps.com. And I will leave links to both of these in the description below. But basically all you have to do is you find a video you want to record. And I'll try this one, Apollo 11 Moonwalk. And open up the screen recording program. Go to the menu, select Custom Area. And then you select the video, and then this window will pop up, meaning it's ready to record. And then I get the video ready, I rewind it all the way, and then I usually will hit record first to give it a couple seconds, because you can edit the beginning of it later. Hit record, then hit play, and it starts recording.
At the foot of the ladder, the lamp footbeds are only depressed in the surface about 1 or 2 inches, although the surface appears to be.
And you can also, while you're recording, you can pause if you need to think about what you're going to say next, or do a retake if you've made a mistake. Pause, resume, pause, resume. And you can also draw while you're recording. Add letters. And I think there's different shapes you can do. So there's a lot of different things you can do just other than recording if you want to. And then when you're done, you just click the stop button. You type in the file name. Click OK. And then it will save it. And then I'll open it up to show you kind of what it looks like. Hit record, then hit play. It is. And it starts recording.
At the foot of the ladder, the lamp footbeds are
only. And you can see the drawings I did. Draw while you're recording. Add letters. And that's all there is to it. A few years ago, they used to have a lot of different websites you could use. You could just copy and paste the URL to a video and then click a button and download. But a lot of those sites have either gone away or they're kind of sketchy. So they may have a lot of pop-up ads or spyware for all anyone knows. So I would just stay away from those. They're kind of risky. So I would just go with a screen recorder, and and keep it simple. And that's pretty much all there is to it. The only other thing is you want to make sure if you are using clips from another channel, you want to make sure you're following the fair use copyright law. And that gets a little bit complicated. I'm not an expert in that area. I think the main thing is that if you're using somebody else's video clips, you need to add some of your own commentary so that you transform it in some way, if that makes sense. But I will find a good tutorial on that. I will also leave that in the description below. And that's all there is to it. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. And that's it. Thanks a lot.